How to use FaceTime screen share on iPhone. First, open the FaceTime app and either select a recent contact or tap New FaceTime to enter the person's name or number. Then, tap the green FaceTime button to start the video call. Once you're on the call, tap the screen to reveal controls. Then, tap the Share Content button. It looks like a rectangle with a person icon on it. A menu will pop up. Tap Share My Screen. After 3 seconds countdown, your iPhone will minimize FaceTime and start broadcasting your screen. Now, you can switch apps, show web pages, open photos, or explain settings. Everything you do on your screen will visible to other person, but not your notification, so it stays private. When you're done, go back to FaceTime call and tap Share Content button again, then choose Stop Sharing. Your screen will return to the normal video call. And that's it!